Recall the activity you did in the class in order to find the sum of interior angles of a triangle. Part 1. Draw a rough diagram to show the way you pasted three interior angles of triangles. We can draw a diagram like this. This one is the triangle. We have to cut three angles like this, and we have to paste it along a straight line. If this angle is A, this one is B, this one is C, we can paste it like this: A, B, C. This one is C. Then we can show that sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Part 2. Draw a rough diagram to show where you pasted four interior angles of quadrilateral. We know that sum of four interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Therefore, we can consider a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means there are four sides. I will consider A, B, C, D angles. Then we can cut these angles and we can paste around a point like this: A, B, C and D. Then you can show that we know that angles around a point is 360 degrees, and we can prove that interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Then part 3, the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral equals 2 times sum of interior angles of triangle. Verify the above relationship using answer in part 1 and 2 above. Right, we can get that sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degrees, and we can multiply sum of interior angles of triangle by 2. Then we can obtain 180 multiplied by 2. It is 360 degrees. Therefore, we can write, therefore, sum of interior angles of triangle times 2 should be equals to sum of interior angles of quadrilateral. Then part B, Roman number 1. Find the value of A, B, C, D of the following diagram. We can get A angle by considering sum of interior angles of this triangle. Then A plus 50 plus 70 equals 180 degrees. Then A plus, we can add these two values: 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 7, 12, 180 degrees. Then we can bring 120 to the right hand side. When bring 120 to the right hand side, we have to get as a minus term because of this one is a plus term, minus 120 degrees. Then we can get A value is 60 degrees. Not capital A, it should be simple A. Simple A value is 60 degrees. Then we can find B value. When finding B value, we can get sum of adjacent angles around a straight line. We know that sum of these two angles should be 180 degrees. Then we can get B plus this angle, it is 60. B plus 60 equals 180 degrees. Then B value is, we can bring 60 to the right hand side as a minus term. B equals, we can subtract, it is 120 degrees. Now we know that this angle is 120 degrees. Then we can find C angle by using when finding C angle, we know that this one is 90. Therefore, this full angle also 90. Therefore, we can get large triangle, and we can write C plus 90 plus 70 equals 180 degrees. Then C plus, I will add these two values, 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 9, 16, 160 equals 180 degrees. Then C value is 180 minus 160. It is 20 degrees. Then C value is 20 degrees. Then we have to find the value of D. When finding D value, we can get interior angles of this triangle. Then D plus, we know that B value is 120 plus C value is 20 equals 180 degrees. Then D plus, we can add these two values, 120 plus 20, 140 equals 180. D value is 180 minus 140. We have to bring 140 to the right hand side as a minus term. Then 180 minus 140 is 40 degrees. Then D value is 40 degrees. Then part 2, find the value of x and y of the following diagram. When finding x value, we can get sum of interior angles of this quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Then x plus 50 plus 120 plus 40 equals 180 degrees. X plus, we can add these all values, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 remaining, 1 plus 1, 2. 210, it should be 360, not 180, equals 360. Then we can bring plus 1, 210 to the right hand side as a minus term. 360 minus 210, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 2, 1. It is 150 degrees x value. Now we can find the y value. When finding y value, we can consider sum of adjacent angles on the straight line should be 180 degrees. Then we can get x value is 150, 150 plus y should be equals to 180. Sum of adjacent angles on a straight line. Then we can find the y value. We can bring 150 to the right hand side as a minus term. Then 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 5, 3. Y value is 30 degrees.